Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Victoria's Secret Night Angel fragrance mist, and this is just the 250 milliliter and 8.4 fluid ounces. And yeah, I just kind of want to show you guys what this bottle looks like. The cap on the top just says Victoria's Secret. Sorry guys, it kind of has like this little dot in the middle that a lot of their bottles come with, so it kind of looks a little reflective, but I promise that's just the indent of the bottle. And then right here is just the cap, and this just says Victoria's Secret right here. And then guys, this is my favorite part about this bottle, how it's designed. This is the real reason why I ended up buying it, to be honest. I love the smell good part of it was just a good benefit, but I love the way this bottle is designed. It's like in this ombre, so it's kind of clear up here, and then the bottom is kind of black. And it's like, honestly, it's one of the coolest bottles. So yeah, this is just how the bottle looks. So getting started on this product, I am a huge fan of Victoria's Secret. It's one of my favorite brands that I purchase from. I love their brands. I love their perfume. I love their clothes. And their perfume is like I love their perfume too. So basically everything about this brand I kind of love. And I'm sorry guys, it's like gonna roll, so I'm just gonna leave it here. But when getting introduced to this, I was shopping one day and I noticed that if you kind of go to an outlet store, they're going to have more of a variety opposed to or an outlet mall, they tend to have more of a variety opposed to if you're going to a regular mall. And this is just something to keep in mind. If you're trying to look for something new, not new, but something that probably a lot of other malls wouldn't have, I suggest going to outlet malls. Everything's going to be cheaper and you're going to find stuff that you wouldn't normally find. And I ended up going to an outlet mall with my sorority sisters, and we had to go in Victoria's Secret. But nowadays a lot of Victoria's Secrets are paired with pink, and you end up getting like a 2-for-1 deal. But this is kind of confusing for me because pink is I want to say a teenage / young adult store, and it's paired with Victoria's Secret, so it's a little confusing to me, but it is owned by the same person, so yeah. But anyways, we were in Victoria's Secret / pink, and my friend was like, oh my goodness, look at these cool perfume bottles. And I was like, what? When did they start selling these? And I actually got the twin version to this perfume bottle, and it was honestly when I saw it, I was like, oh, I didn't even smell the perfume. I just automatically put it in my bag. And so for you not to want to smell something, you just want to get it because the way it looks, honestly, says a lot about the perfume. Once I did bring it home though, it does smell very good. So that was just a bonus on top of me getting it. It smells honestly so good, guys. I have a lot of favorites when it comes to Victoria's Secret. So it probably is in my top 15 perfumes, but it's not my favorite at all. But I really do love this perfume. It smells so good. It's like a mist too, so you can spray a couple of sprays and it'll stay on you for a little bit. The smell's obviously not going to last because it's a mist. It's not that expensive in my opinion for a Victoria's Secret perfume. It costs about what you guys would think it would cost. So it's not really that expensive, but it does smell good. And I am a very big person when it comes to the way products are marketed. And this product honestly is one of my favorite products. I love it. It's just the way, not even aside from the smell, the way the bottle is marketed is very cool. Also too, something else about this product is that it's not one of the travel size ones. So if you are thinking about bringing this with you, just make sure you have a purse or something that you can just throw it in. You can't take this on an airline though, it's too big, but if you're traveling to class, like I know sometimes I'll throw it in my bag to go to class because you never know when you want to freshen up throughout the day. And then also too, this is just like a very good product too if you are running or you're going to the gym and you want to spray something on after you get done running. And just be very careful with it. Like I said, guys, it's kind of strong for it to be one of the Victoria's Secret mists in my opinion. But this is the Night Angel perfume. So typically what I like to use this for too is if I'm going out somewhere at night or going to dinner. Yes, I am 21, so I do go to clubs and bars. And so I'll typically, if I'm getting ready at a friend's house, I'll bring this and I'll wear this. Or if I'm going to the club, I'll bring this on a Saturday night going out in the city. So it's just like that perfume, like it just screams nightlife. It's black, it has these cool red, pink, sparkly designs on it, which I love. And all my friends are like, where'd you get that from? And I'm like, oh my goodness, like let me tell you. And I just love talking about this perfume. It's like honestly one of my favorite products, like I've said before, just because of the way it's designed. Definitely one of my favorite products that Victoria's Secret has marketed thus far. But like I said before, guys, this is the Victoria's Secret Night Angel fragrance mist. And it's not that expensive for a Victoria's Secret perfume. And I do suggest getting this if you guys kind of love like a dark, mysterious smell. This is kind of what it gives you.